Hey guys, welcome to our channel, A Smarter House, your permanent solution for all your smart home queries and problems. In today's video, we'll unveil a new IKEA product that is yet to hit the market. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. IKEA's smart home products have undoubtedly become some of the most popular on the market, the simple reason being their low prices in comparison. It is now rumored that they are coming with a new game-changing product. According to information obtained from the German iPhone ticker, the new model will be called Dirigera and will include a number of new features. Although we haven't got the total information about Dirigera, we have some sneak peeks for you, which clearly show that it is a completely new product. IKEA has created a more discreet design that appears to be much thinner, though Dirigera may be slightly larger in circumference than wireless. The power supply appears to be via USB Type-C, and based on the images, Dirigera will be able to be mounted on the wall with a screw. The new device will be rounder and flatter than the old IKEA Trad-Fry. The Dirigera gateway is likely to have capabilities similar to the Trad-Fry gateway, allowing you to integrate IKEA products with other smart home systems such as Apple HomeKit and Amazon Alexa. The top has a status light and possibly has a rechargeable battery. IKEA might be imitating what Samsung did with its latest SmartThings gateway, in which the company installed a backup battery in addition to an external power supply. According to the listing, the Dirigera will be a Zigbee 3.0 controller. Most of the leaks have been removed, and we will see when the new product is released. So, that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe to the channel so you can watch the detailed Dirigera review when it arrives. I'll be back with more crazy smart home solutions soon. Till then, keep exploring.